Welcome back to Joe Duffy Mini over in Charlestown. Today I have this Mini Cooper Sport. So this is a 1.5 litre, 136 horsepower. It is a sport model, so we do get the full John Cooper Works body kit on it, along with the upgraded alloys, white stripes, white mirror caps with a matching white roof. Since it is a sport, we do get some additional extras. So we get a nice roof spoiler here, along with blacked out trim and badging. Then we get a nice rear diffuser, along with slightly sportier side skirts. And our biggest difference is round on the front grille. As we see, we've got a full sport front grille and lip. Give a bit more of an aggressive look on the road. We have comfort access here, so by a tap of this button we open up the door to our gorgeous interior. So this sport model comes with a multifunction steering wheel, bit of John Cooper Works badging there, and we get the full sport seats. These are slightly more bucketed. We've got leather on the side, suede in the middle, and we hop in here, and as we can see, here is our new dash. So right over here, 11,000 kilometers on the clock, and this will show all of our speed, and it will show our speed up here as well, depending on what road we're on. And then we've got the infotainment system just here. If I click into this, it does have Apple CarPlay on it, along with a few extra things in there, and we can see all of our check control messages just in here. Right below that is our climate control. So we've got our drive mode buttons here, so we can go into green, mid, and then sport, which will increase our throttle response and it will increase the steering feel. We've got heated seats in the front, start stop button here. On either side of the steering wheel, so we've got our media controls here. These are volume, and we can change our radio stations or call people if we wish. And then we've got a speed limiter and cruise control on this side. So a little look at the boot here. As you can see, plenty of room for storage. And popping this up, we get a little bit more depth in the boot too. So if we have any more questions or queries about this Mini, or we'd like to bring it for a test drive, please don't hesitate to contact us on 01864 7777, by email at bpowell@joeduffy.ie, or you can pop into the showroom, exit 5 of the M50. Thank you.